Alrighty guys, so I received a package from Saruru. I pretty much fangirled over the fact that she was giving away her Sharpies, and here we are. So I'm just gonna get to opening up the package. I am not sure if this contains only Sharpies because my friends like to kill me. So if it's just the Sharpies, I'm gonna be okay. I was not expecting this to be a big unboxing, but knowing my friends, you know, they got to surprise me. All right, this packaging is like giving me trouble, man. Like, ooh. And I thought my taping skills were supreme. Saruru beat me on this one. Alrighty, oof. Okay, oof. That legit was, ooh, I can't. And on the top, she says, this side up. Alrighty. So let's just get to opening. At first, I thought this was the Amazon package when I saw this. But apparently, it's something different. And I think it's like super cute. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead to getting this opened. So we're going to cut this piece of tape. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oof. There we go. Whew. Okay. All right. Okay, it's a note. She says, I'm just padding. This box was too big. All right. It's so freaking cute. So they're under this. So 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, more happening, I see. Oh my gosh, all this work for Sharpies. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let me take it out. Ooh, 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 okay. Alrighty guys, so I took the wrapping out the box. This is actually super darn cute, if I say so myself. So yes, I might actually repurpose it just like the bubble wrap, because I needed bubble wrap, to be honest, because I ran out. But we're just gonna unveil this. Alright. Ooh, this is like so cute. Like, I'm legit going to sit there and step up my wrapping game, because this is so freaking cute. All right, so here is a wrap package, and there's something on the bottom, so I'm gonna carefully get this off without looking at what's on the bottom. All right, okay, so yes, more bubble wrap. I'm like excited, man. Okay, so we're just gonna unwrap this. Ooh, and a 2 and a 3. Oh, it wasn't a 3, it was just a 2 wrap roll. Alright, okay, and oh my gosh! I totally did not think you had this many Sharpies. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit, because I'm just like, for what I saw, it was gonna be a little bit, but bam! Oh my gosh, I can add it to my very little Sharpie collection. If you guys don't know, I freaking love using Sharpies for my artwork. A lot of people don't like them because they stink, but I'm so used to the smell of Sharpies because I use them all the time. I've used them for my art a lot in the past, so the smell is just, I love the smell of Sharpies. But anyways, look at all these colors. I even have a purple now. I can actually do Alka now without having to be scared of using a dark blue. Oh my gosh, I'm like fangirling. I'm gonna do so much Sharpie artwork. It's not even funny today. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Alright, and as you can see, there's still something left in here, which is like good, because I was just expecting the Sharpies. Alright, okay, we're just gonna unveil it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh! Okay, this is the letter. I like how she just kills me with the supplies and then gives me the letter. Like, oh my gosh, she said spoiler-free letter, and it has a cat. Hello, this is a very boxy cat. It's so cute. All right, and I'm loving this, what do you call this? Oh my gosh. Aesthetic. I love this aesthetically pleasing package because everything had the sparkles, the glitter. I freaking love it, man. So, all right, we're just going to pull it out and make sure that's the only thing in here, which it is. All right. So it states, ooh, okay. Hello. Finally, they reached you. Sorry for taking so long to send them. No, it's fine. It's so fine. I'm the queen of the lateness here. So you're fine. I included extra gifts since I feel bad, but also because you're amazing. I hope it'll arrive safely. Happy doodling, Saruru. Oh. And you guys say I'm mean to my friends. They just love killing me, man. But thank you so much, Saruru. You didn't have to do this, but I appreciate it so much. And I keep all my letters, as you guys know. So this will go in my letterbox with all the other letters I get from my friends. All right, so time to unveil the last thing in this package. So, ooh. I'm so scared. But anyways, we're gonna flip this over in like 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, she saved me again. All right, and look at this. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Like, oh, I'm gonna have to like steal this aesthetic, man. I love this. Thank you for putting so much love and care into like wrapping everything. It's so freaking cute. So, all right, and she says something extra because you're awesome. Oh my gosh. I think myself as like a sad bean, but oh my goodness. And I'm actually gonna draw on this. I love how everything in here is reusable. I love drawing on cardboard. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, whoop. Okay. And I gotta flip the tab open. See, I was gonna just put this in my vlog, but this is gonna have its own video because it's way too long to be putting in my vlog. Alright, so now it's time to finally unveil what's in this envelope. So I'm just gonna pull it out and then I'm going to flip over what's on the back. And I'm telling this is artwork because I can feel the texture on the other side. So it's artsy. So anyways, and a 1, phone focus. There we go. And a 2, and a 3, go. Ah! Oh, no. What's the date on this? Oh, you just did this? Oh my god. Since when do you ship them to? If you guys don't know, this is my character Rohei, and this is my character Aiko. I've been playing around with like shipping them for like the past couple of months now. So hashtag Ryoko. They are so stinking cute together. I never want to ship them because they're those type of friends that you would never think would end up together. But they're so stinking cute. Look at this. I freaking love her style, man. Her style is so nice and so good at the same time. Like, Saruru has this really, it's not a weird style, but it's very realistic, but verily, no, English Nirel. It's very realistic, yet verily, it's very stylized at the same freaking time. I freaking love this. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Just look at all this gloriousness. Oh my gosh. I can't. I really cannot, man. I low-key am going to like steal this outfit for Rohei. I never know how to style my characters at they wear like the same thing all the time. So Saruru, please teach me your ways of clothes because you're awesome at it. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, like that killed me. I cannot even look at what's on this one because I didn't even know she shipped these two because I was just joking around, but they are so freaking cute together. I can't. All right, so we're getting to the second one. We're getting to the second one. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh! 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 It's Nalia! It's Tsukino! Oh my gosh! Cause when I did her first commission that she commissioned me, she told me that her character Tsukino actually really loved music, and I'm like, oh my gosh, her and my OC Nalia would be like the bestest of friends because he freaking loves music. Like music is his life, guys. If you ever take away his music, you're gonna be dead. He loves music, and oh my gosh, and I said, oh my gosh, I should draw them together because they would make the bestest of friends, and here they are. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is just so cute, man. It warms up my heart. Oh my goodness. You did not have to do this. Oh my god. So I'm gonna move all the pretty packaging out the way so I can put everything in frame here. So here is the letter. There is the art too. Let me zoom out so you can see everything actually. And I'm just gonna take a few. But here are some of the Sharpies and which I got from her. But thank you so much, Saruru, for this lovely package. I legit died at everything, even the Sharpies. But thank you so much. As I will take this with the utmost care and give it lots of love. So guys, if you don't know who Saruru is, I'll put all of her stuff in the description box below. She's super awesome. I've just actually been ogling her for the past year now because I freaking love how she develops her characters, all the clothing styles she has with them, and how deep her stories are. And I don't really think I say that enough to her because when she commissioned me, I was just kind of taken aback that she really liked my stuff, and I'm like, no, I really like yours. But yes, I do. I love you so much. Keep doing your art too. I'm happy to see your growth every day as much as I'm happy to see like you like my growth every day. But I just thank you so much. And yeah, so please go check her out, guys, and I guess I will see you in my next video. So bye bye.